How to insert a signature in Word. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert signature in Word. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to take image of your signature from your mobile phone and send it through email or WhatsApp on your PC. Then you're going to go to Insert tab over here at the top, and then you're going to click on Pictures, and then you're going to click on this device. From here, you're going to simply pick the signature. For example, it is this one. And then now you're going to position your signature. Make it small and adjust it according to your page, wherever you want it on your page. So let's say I'm going to bring it at the bottom left. So now you can see that my signature is over here. If you have taken picture of a page, and you'll be able to see a page right over here at the back of the signature. To remove that, you can simply click on it, and then you can click on picture format, click on color, and then you can simply adjust it according to your page's color. So once you have adjusted that, the next thing that you're going to do is add a signature line. So to add that, all you need to do is click on insert once again, and then you'll be able to see this icon right over here. Click on it, and here you're going to type in the name of the signer. For example, I'm going to type in Paula Smith, and then you're going to type in suggested signer's title. You can also add suggested signer's email address, and you can also add the date of the signature. Click on OK, and once you do so, you'll be able to see this appear. Now, you can adjust this image right over here. To do that, you're going to click on this rainbow kind of icon, and then you can either click on this one or this one, and then you can simply adjust it according to your own choice. And that is basically how you can insert a signature in Word. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.